Picture this, a single plate of vegetables quietly working inside your body, shielding it from some of the deadliest threats, heart disease, lung problems, even certain cancers. Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Here's what most people don't realize. Not all vegetables are created equal. Some are just along for the ride. Nice to have, but barely making a difference. Then there are the real superheroes, ones that actively repair DNA, flush out toxins, and strengthen your immune system without you even noticing. Most people already think of garlic, broccoli, and spinach as top-tier health foods. But here's the real kicker. One vegetable quietly tops every nutrient ranking, scoring a perfect 100 out of 100 on the CDC nutrient density scale, even beating kale. Just imagine that for a moment. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through the top 5 vegetables that aren't just healthy. They're scientifically proven allies in protecting your body. Keep your curiosity ready. By the end, you'll see the vegetable that may completely change the way you think about what belongs on your plate. Here's the reality. Most people think they're eating healthy, grabbing a salad, tossing in spinach or carrots, assuming their body is fully protected. But here's the catch. Most vegetables on your plate don't deliver the maximum disease-fighting power your body needs. Scientists measure this with nutrient density, the true measure of how much protective benefit a food packs per calorie. And honestly, the average diet barely scratches the surface. It's not your fault. Supermarket shelves, trendy diets, even cooking shows rarely highlight the vegetables that target the deadliest threats to your health: DNA damage, heart disease, certain cancers. Some vegetables are good, but only a few contain compounds that actively repair your body at the cellular level. For example, did you know that a simple tweak, like lightly steaming some greens, can unlock a compound that helps your body detoxify harmful chemicals? Or that crushing a tiny bulb of garlic and letting it sit for 10 minutes can activate a molecule that protects your heart? Over the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 vegetables with these kinds of hidden powers. You'll learn which ones really make a difference and the simple preparation tricks that bring out their full potential. Let's start with one of the oldest vegetables in your kitchen, garlic. Don't underestimate this little bulb. It contains a compound called allicin. This isn't just about flavor. Allicin is like a natural warrior in your body, quietly repairing cells, reducing inflammation, and protecting your heart. Studies also show it can help fight certain types of stomach cancer. Here's a pro tip that most people miss. Crush the garlic and wait about 10 minutes before cooking. That pause allows allicin to fully activate. Skip it, and you're losing most of its protective power. Tiny effort, huge difference, and here's a twist. Throwing garlic straight into a hot pan is like buying a superhero costume and leaving it in the closet. It just doesn't work. Let it rest, then cook lightly. Boom, your body gets the maximum benefit. Already, you can see the pattern emerging. These vegetables aren't just food, they're hidden allies. Each one has a subtle mechanism that makes a real difference for your health. Curious how this continues? Just wait until we look at the green vegetable that's famous in stir-fries, but whose secret compounds do much more than just add color. Next up is a vegetable that's probably on most people's healthy list, but there's more going on than most realize: broccoli. Inside its green florets is a compound called sulforaphane, and this isn't just another nutrient. It acts like an internal cleanup crew for your body. Sulforaphane has been studied for its ability to target breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Imagine tiny agents roaming through your cells, neutralizing harmful chemicals, repairing DNA, and keeping rogue cells in check. Here's a common mistake. Most people steam or boil broccoli until it's soft and dull. That actually destroys the enzymes that activate sulforaphane. The result? You miss out on the vegetable's true power. The pro tip: steam broccoli lightly, just enough to brighten the green, or enjoy it raw if you like that crunch. That's how you preserve the healing enzymes and let it work its magic. It's not complicated, just respecting what's inside and a little extra spark. Sulforaphane also supports your liver's detox pathways, flushing out chemicals that could otherwise cause long-term damage. Tiny florets, big results. Stack this with what we learned about garlic, and you start to notice a pattern. Each vegetable carries a hidden mechanism that goes far beyond basic nutrition. Finally, get ready for a leafy green that's more than just a salad filler. Its compounds actively defend your DNA and even support your brain. But there's a secret about how to unlock its full potential that most people miss. Now let's talk about a leafy green that's often the star of salads and smoothies: spinach. Beneath those bright green leaves lies a powerhouse of compounds, most notably lutein and folate. These aren't just fancy nutrition words, they're active defenders for your DNA and your brain. Lutein acts like a microscopic shield, helping to protect your cells from oxidative damage, while folate is a master repairer, crucial for maintaining DNA integrity and supporting cognitive function. Imagine them as a dedicated security team inside your body, quietly making sure your cells stay healthy and your mind stays sharp. Here's a pro tip. Pair spinach with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado. Many of the nutrients in leafy greens are fat-soluble, which means your body can absorb them far more effectively when combined with a little fat. That small adjustment, a drizzle of olive oil over your salad, a few slices of avocado in your smoothie, can make a surprisingly big difference, turning an already healthy meal into a nutritional powerhouse. The way you prepare spinach also matters. Lightly cooking it can make some nutrients more available, yet overcooking can destroy others. Gentle steaming or a quick sauté often works best, and sometimes enjoying it raw preserves the compounds. Being mindful about preparation allows you to unlock spinach's full potential without losing its benefits. You might start noticing a pattern: garlic, broccoli, and now spinach. Each vegetable comes with its own hidden mechanisms, and the way you handle them can determine how much protection they offer your body. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat it. Small tweaks in preparation can significantly enhance the health benefits of even the simplest vegetables, making your meals smarter and more effective. Next up is a bright orange root vegetable, the familiar carrot. You may have eaten it countless times as a child, but there's more to this humble vegetable than just its sweet crunch. The way you prepare carrots can dramatically change how they protect your body. There's a simple trick to unlock their full power, and something many people overlook that can make every bite more nourishing than you ever realized. Next up is a vegetable most of us grew up munching on: carrots. Don't let the simple orange color fool you. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a remarkable compound that acts like a shield for your lungs, and may even play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, including leukemia. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant, which means it actively seeks out and neutralizes harmful molecules that can damage your cells over time. Picture it as a tiny army of defenders roaming your body, quietly keeping your cells safe while giving your immune system a boost. Here's a tip to truly maximize its power. Cooking carrots can release significantly more antioxidants than eating them raw. In fact, gentle cooking methods like roasting, steaming, or lightly sautéing can release up to 3 times more beta-carotene than raw carrots. So rather than just crunching on raw sticks, think of ways to cook them lightly to unlock hidden nutrition. That small adjustment transforms a simple snack into a nutrient-rich powerhouse. And here's a lesser-known trick that makes a big difference. Pairing carrots with a healthy fat, such as olive oil or butter, dramatically improves absorption. Fat helps your body take in the beta-carotene more efficiently, meaning even a tiny drizzle can multiply the benefits. It's another reminder that the way we prepare food can be just as important as the food itself. By now, you might notice a pattern emerging: garlic, broccoli, spinach, and now carrots. Each vegetable has its own unique mechanism for promoting health, and the method of preparation can unlock their full potential. It's a subtle but powerful reminder that smart cooking is a form of self-care. Next, we're moving on to a vegetable so extraordinary in nutrient density that it has earned official recognition for its unique power. It's considered the ultimate all-rounder, capable of amplifying all the benefits we've already explored. Once you see what it can do, you'll understand why nutritionists and chefs alike celebrate it as a must-have in every diet. And now, the vegetable that truly changes the game: watercress. Tiny, vibrant green, and often overlooked, it consistently tops nutrient ranking charts, scoring a perfect 100 out of 100 on the CDC's nutrient density scale, even surpassing kale. That number isn't just a statistic, it's a reflection of watercress's incredible ability to support your health at the cellular level, giving your body a boost that few other vegetables can match. Imagine a vegetable so small, yet so potent, that just a handful can supercharge your cells, giving them the protection and resilience that many larger, flashier foods simply can't provide. So, what makes watercress so special? At the heart of its power is a compound called PEITC, and this isn't just any nutrient. PEITC functions like a DNA repair and detox superhero. It helps neutralize cancer-causing chemicals, repair damaged DNA, and protect your cells in ways most other vegetables simply can't. Picture tiny, vigilant warriors moving through your bloodstream, scanning for threats, repairing damage, and keeping your cells resilient and strong. In fact, studies suggest PEITC can influence cellular pathways that actively fight the early stages of cancer, making watercress not just a healthy choice, but a potentially life-protecting one. Here's a practical tip. Watercress isn't limited to salads. You can lightly steam it, toss it into soups, stir fries, or even blend it raw into smoothies. Its peppery, slightly spicy flavor adds a surprising kick to any dish, transforming ordinary meals into something exciting. The key is gentle handling. Overcooking can destroy its delicate compounds, so treat it with a little care to unlock its full potential. Even tossing a few leaves into your lunch sandwich can make a real difference. For real-life impact, try adding a handful of watercress to your lunch or dinner several times a week. It's easy to include, versatile, and one of the most scientifically supported disease-fighting vegetables you can eat. Your heart, lungs, liver, and DNA will all thank you. Imagine each bite as a tiny investment in your long-term health. Simple, quick, and incredibly powerful. Think about the bigger picture. Garlic supporting your heart, broccoli helping your colon, spinach protecting your brain, carrots boosting lung health, and now watercress comes in to amplify all of these benefits, creating a kind of nutritional synergy that few other foods can match. When combined thoughtfully, these vegetables don't just add nutrients, they multiply their effects, helping your body work at peak efficiency. Here's the main takeaway. Don't just eat vegetables. Choose the right ones, prepare them correctly, and combine them strategically. Watercress is the vegetable to make the star of your plate, and when you do, you're giving your body some of the most powerful protection that science can offer. Even small, consistent servings can make a huge difference over time, turning ordinary meals into a daily boost for your long-term health. And the best part? It's simple, natural, and easy to incorporate. Proof that sometimes the tiniest vegetables carry the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the top 5 disease-fighting vegetables, hit like, subscribe for more health insights, and share this with someone who wants a simple, effective way to boost their health.